Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class question number 10. Let f such that x related to y be an invertible functions. Show that the function f has unique inverse. You have to show that the function should be unique inverse. Okay. Let us see. Question number 10 here. F1 not f is equal to identity of x is equal to identity of x is nothing but x. Okay, next here I am interchanging. Okay, here it is simple, 3 into 1 by 3 you will get 1. Okay, 3 cancel 1, therefore 3 into 1 you will get 3. Okay, similar here. Okay, next f2 not f is equal to identity of x is nothing but f not f of f2. Okay, therefore you have to show that f1 is equal to f2. Okay, unique inverse you have to show that taking f1 and you have to prove that f2. Okay, here it is unique inverse, therefore I am taking f1 with not identity x. Okay, next here identity x is nothing but here f not f2. Okay, next I am interchanging my brackets. Okay, f1 not f not f2. Okay, just I am interchanged the places of my brackets. Okay, next here f1 not f is nothing but identity, again identity of x not f2. Okay, therefore here f1 not identity of x is nothing but f1, therefore identity of x not f2 is nothing but f2, therefore LHS I have taken f1, here my RHS is f2, therefore f1 equal to f2. Here it has unique inverse. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 10. Okay, next question number 11. Here consider function f such that 1 comma 2 comma 3 related to a comma b comma c given by f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 equal to b and f of 3 equal to c. Find inverse and show that inverse of inverse is equal to f. Okay, here function f such that 1 comma 2 comma 3 is related to a comma b comma c. Okay, here my capital A set, here this is my set A capital A, here my set B, therefore I am taking here 1 2 3. Okay, here A B C, here f of 1 is nothing but a, therefore 1 is equal to a, related to a. F of 2 is nothing but b, 2 is related to b. F of 3 is nothing but c, 3 is related to c. Okay, now you have to find ordered pair. Here r is equal to, for my given function 1 comma a, okay, 2 comma b, 3 comma c. Okay, this is my ordered pair. Okay, now inverse for my given function, this I have to find inverse. Inverse is nothing but, here you have to check 1 1 and on 2, then we can find inverse. See here, for checking 1 1 you should check the domain. For checking on 2 you have to check codomain. 1 1, here every term in set A should have 1 to 1. Yeah, here it is 1 to 1, therefore it is satisfying 1 1. For on 2, in set B every term has only one pre-image. Okay, therefore A has 1 as my pre-image. For B, 2 has my pre-image. For C, 3 is my pre-image. Okay, therefore domain and codomain 1 1 and on 2 satisfy, then here we can find inverse. Inverse is nothing but you have to 1 comma A is A comma 1 inverse, B comma 2, C comma 3. Okay, here this is my inverse. Next, you have to show that inverse of the function. Once again you have to take inverse. Again here 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma C. Therefore this is nothing but my function f. Therefore f equal to f inverse of the whole inverse. Therefore the condition is here satisfied. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 11. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.